What's up, traders? It's Kaya Trades, and if you are ready to start your trading journey, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to open your free account on TradingView and show you kind of what it kind of looks like in order to start trading. So let's go ahead and hop into our browser. First up, we're going to go to TradingView.com. Alrighty, so once you get to TradingView, that you're going to start with Get Started or Get Started for free, and then create an account using either your Google, email, or your phone number. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on the one that I made. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the top and press on Markets. That will bring you up to a few charts pulled up right here. Right now, what's pulled up is S&P 500. I'm just going to click on Dow 30 because that's what I trade. They're going to press this Launch Full Chart View button right here. That should take you to the actual charts. First things first, if you are trading without looking at charts, stop trading, okay? You need to be able to see what price is doing. This is the original layout of TradingView. And in order to open your account and start trading paper trade, you're going to go ahead and press the buy or sell button at the top of the page. When you do that, you can click on this first icon here, which says paper trading. And once you click on that, you can go ahead and connect it. And this order DOM will pop up. It says it's not trading right now, but that's okay. But you should see this tab down here where all these are at. As of right now, let's see if I can go to another one really quickly. Let me just search it. This is what I trade, so let's see. And yes, so your order DOM should kind of look like this. When it pops up, it'll give you an equity amount of how much you can trade with. Again, it's just paper money, but we're going to take it seriously. If you are a beginner trader, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you learn terminology, definitions along with market structure. If you don't know market structure yet, I don't think that you should trade with your money on the line. It's just something that I recommend. You're grown, you can do whatever you want to do. But first things first, just kind of show you how it works. If I press buy right here, an order will almost be placed. Now we're in for a trade. I think the market is going to go up. And then I'm in that trade for one contract. Now, if I want to set my take profit, which is where I think the market will go, in order to make me money, I will drag that however high or low I want. My stop loss will be the thing that'll keep me from losing more money than I plan to. I can pull that down just a little bit. If you want to cancel that trade, go ahead and just press the exit position and then close position on that trade. We made about $2, so it showed me how much I made. Before I was out of the trade, it showed me how much money I was up or down. Now, something that I highly recommend is, as a beginner, you want to figure out how much you're risking and how much you're making before you place the trade. So we're going to go to this column over here, and this is where our risk to reward ratio marker will be. As you can see, I pressed the click button and it appeared on my screen. This is a 1. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio. If I were to write that out, you hear a lot of times 1-to-1. That 1-to-1 is how much I'm risking. So let's say I want to risk $200 to make $200. So inevitably, if I take 2 trades and I take a dub on one trade and I take an L on one trade, I'm break even. However, me personally, I trade a 1-to-2 ratio, risk to reward ratio. So we're going to drag this up until it says 2. So let's say now we have a 1-to-2 RR. So 1-to-2. So let's say I risk 200 to make and profit $400. So if you are good at math, obviously that'll be easier for you. This price could very well go up there. This is the daily time frame, so that's not a thing that I would trade personally, because there are 3 different types of scalpers, 3 different types of traders. There is your scalp trading, your day trading, and intraday trading, as well as your swing trading. I personally am a scalper and day trader. That's just what fits my personality, as well as my time for work. So we're going to go ahead and drop on down to the 5-minute time frame, which is where I execute my trades, and it's all the same thing. Price is telling a story on every single time frame that you are, but the bigger time frame tells you the overall story. However, how many 5 minutes is in a day? A lot. So there's a lot of money to be made within a 1-day candle, and there's so many more candles within that, so you could potentially make a trade for there. So I hope this video was helpful, just getting you a kickstart of your trading. For more videos on structure, candlesticks, go ahead and go to my channel and you can find some of those videos there. And I will see you guys in the next video.